All right, so tell us what happened over here.
So, first of all, this is the biggest school in Ashkelon.
This school.
Yes,
This is
a high school.
high school.
About more than 1,500 children in the lead operation. And during the lead operation, 150 missiles. At that time, we didn't have the Iron Dome. So after the lead operation, was an agreement with the Hamas, an agreement, and also with the Egyptians and the United States. Just 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks after the end of the lead operation, they shot missiles, and one missile destroyed a school in Ashkelon. Today it's about 15 missiles.
In Ashkelon?
Today, just today.
Because we just had one a few minutes ago.
Yes.
What happened?
What happened? Well, the Iron Dome succeeded. Not only, included you, but not only that. You have to see tens of apartments were a big damage. We have 4 wounded people, and we have tens, maybe 100 of traumatic wounded people, and especially children. So
When you say traumatic, because psychologically they're scared.
of course, you know the trauma from, as I see, I know many of them. The traumatic wounded, sometimes it's more terrible than physical wounded. We have till now, we have children and also elderly people with traumatic wounded. It's during many years. So a lot of psychologists, a big treatment, during all the time. I don't know if there is a mayor in the world that can accept such a situation, that 131,000 people should be all the time under missiles. Who can accept like this?
Are your people staying here or are they leaving?
All my people stay here, and they support the government, they support the army, and they stop the government and the army. They must stop that 131,000 people, almost 10 years, under missiles. A lot of psychological damage and everything. And I think if we can't stop these missiles, if the Hamas don't want to stop, so maybe our army must do everything. If it is include invasion, I don't want invasion. I want to tell you, I was a soldier in Gaza in 1917, and I know how much it is very terrible, to have their battles or to fight in Gaza. We don't want it. What we want, just something that everyone in the world wants. Not to have missiles on the schools, on children, on their homes.
Good luck.
Thank you very much. Fine.